In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a page as an Elementor template. If you've designed a page you love and want to reuse that layout elsewhere, saving it as an Elementor template is the fastest, most reliable way to do it. A template captures your entire page structure, sections, columns, widgets, and styling, so you can insert it on any other page in just a couple of clicks. Let's walk through the process clearly and carefully. First, open the page in the Elementor editor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the page you want to save, then click Edit with Elementor. If you're starting from a new page, you can open it and launch Elementor the same way. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all your widgets and styles are visible. It's a good idea to scan the page and make sure everything looks the way you want before you save it as a template. Next, look for the Publish or Update button in the bottom panel of Elementor, usually at the lower left. If your page is brand new, the button will say Publish. If it's an existing page, it will say Update. Right beside that button is a small arrow. Click that arrow to open a quick menu of extra options related to saving and publishing. From that menu, choose Save as Template. This option is specifically designed to store your current page layout in your template library, so you can reuse it later. It's different from saving a draft or updating the live page. Save as Template creates a reusable design asset. A dialog will appear asking you to enter a template name. Type a descriptive, memorable name that makes sense at a glance. For example, include the page purpose, style, or version, something like Services page, clean layout, or Landing, Webinar, V2. Clear names make it easy to recognize the right template later, especially if you build a library of variations. Finally, click Save. Elementor will store your page in the template library under My Templates. The next time you're editing a page, click the folder icon in the editor panel. Open the My Templates tab and insert your saved layout wherever you need it. If you want to replace everything on the current page with your template, use the option to replace existing content. Otherwise, simply insert and adjust as needed. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned your page into a reusable Elementor template, saving time and ensuring consistent design across your site.